Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if there no audio or no sound on your Windows 11 computer. First thing I recommend to check the speaker turned on or plugged in properly. Try replugging it. Sometimes loose connection can cause this issue, and try plugging into the different USB port. That can resolve the problem guys, hopefully. And you guys try this as well. Troubleshoot setting, open it, click other troubleshooters, play audio troubleshooter, run it. Checking audio service status guys. If any problem here will be detected and will be resolved guys. Open audio enhancement, disable all enhancement. You need to click on it and apply, and okay, close out of here, go to search menu and type device manager, open it, expand the audio input and output. In speaker high destination audio device, right click on it and you need to click on update driver. Browse my computer for driver, locate and install a driver manually. Let me pick from the available list driver on my computer. It's defaulted selected guys. You need to click on next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close out of here. After closing this, restart your computer for make changes guys. Hopefully that can resolve your problem. If that not, go to search menu and type control panel, open it, select here large icons, go to sound option over here and you need to select. If here multiple device listed here guys, select it and set default. If you having multiple device on your speaker, you need to select it and set default and apply and okay. That can hopefully resolve the problem guys. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.